Hey everyone, it's Kathy from K-Dale Handmade. Just wanted to say, hey, welcome to my channel. If you haven't been here before, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that little notification bell so that you know when I have new videos drop. I really do appreciate your support, and it really does help me to grow my channel. So, all that said, what I wanted to talk to you about today was Sew Expo 2026. It is coming up very soon, actually next month. I'll be going out to Washington State, just south of Seattle in Puyallup, and I'll be attending, for the second year, I'll be attending the Sewing and Stitchery Expo, or better known as Sew Expo, at the Washington State Fairgrounds. So I'm super excited to go out there. I will link in the description information about the expo. I'll also link to the classes I'm teaching. This year I am teaching 5 classes. I am super excited about that. It's going to be packed, fun-filled days, and I just thought it would be really fun to show you the projects that we'll be making in my classes at this expo. Talk a little bit about that. And so, without further ado, let me introduce you to my 5 classes. I have 5 classes over 3 days, so I'll be teaching on Thursday, Friday, and Saturday of the expo. The expo also goes until Sunday, and then there are some classes on Wednesday as well. Those are longer. I think they're like 4-hour classes. I am not doing those. My classes are anywhere from an hour and a half to 2.5 hours, depending on the project. So let me show you what we'll be working on. So on Thursday, we're kicking off the expo with a brand new pattern. Haven't shown it anywhere yet, haven't introduced it, but it's going to be a clear stadium bag. So we are going to be making, this is the rectangle version. The pattern will also include a square version. So that pattern will be releasing around the same time as the expo. It might be a day or two after the expo. That date still has to be confirmed, but this is a new pattern that is coming. This is super fun. In class, we'll be using a material for the gusset, and we'll be using clear vinyl sides. And the reason why we are not doing a completely clear vinyl bag in class is because sometimes working with clear vinyl, you can have issues with tension and other items that are more stressful to deal with when you're in a classroom setting. So in order to make sure that my students feel super successful and we have a low stress, just super fun class, we're going to be using fabric for the gusset and then clear vinyl for the sides. So we'll be making up that full pattern in class. That's Thursday morning. And then Thursday afternoon, we are going to be making the KJB wallet using cork fabric. The KJB wallet has a zipper pocket on the back. And then on the inside, you have the clear vinyl or the clear ID window here, 3 card slots. You have a pocket here, a pocket here, and fun fact, these pockets also fit passports. So you can keep everything nice and secure with snaps here. That is a project we'll be working on Thursday afternoon. Now on Friday, we are making just one project on Friday, and that is the edge pouch, but we are going to be having some fun also in class. Here's the edge pouch here, just a simple little zipper pouch. And what we're going to be doing in class is also learning about edge paint. So for raw edge projects like the edge pouch, it is a great opportunity for you to, if you can see that, it's kind of a blush edge paint to match this here. But this is a great project for you to practice your edge painting skills on. So everybody in class will be receiving a edge paint starter kit, which will include a jar of base coat, top coat, a color of your choice. You'll be able to choose which color you want, and a roller pin, and also a little sanding disc. So every student will get that included with their project, and we'll be going over edge painting in class, which is going to be super fun. I might also have another surprise. Actually, I'll have 2 surprises, 2 more surprises in class for the students. So I'm super excited about that. And they're surprises, right? So I can't tell you, but they're going to be fun. Okay, and then Saturday, I'll be teaching 2 more classes. The first one we'll be teaching is the Jot It Down for the A5 size notebooks. So this is what the A5 size looks like. It has a card slot, a post-it note slot. There's a pocket here, and of course you can slide your notebook there into the back side as well. And again, we'll be making these with cork and also edge painting in this class as well. So if you don't get into the edge pouch class and you get into this one, you will also be receiving your starter edge painting kit. So base coat, top coat color, roller pen, and sanding disc, you'll receive that as well with your kit for Saturday. And then the last project we'll be making on Saturday is the padded tablet case. We are going to be using the Cascadia pattern, using the flat option version. There is piping, we'll be talking about that in class as well, and we'll be making fun little tassel zipper pulls for our case. So it comes right like that, right as part of the zipper pull, and it is large enough to fit your iPad, tablet. It's really a great size. You could put all sorts of stuff in here, but I use mine for my tablet. So we'll be working on that on Saturday. All right, and then all of the projects outside of the clear stadium bag, all of those projects will be using cork fabric for that. All of the kits will be already pre-cut and prepared for you. So as soon as you get to class, we can get started right away with sewing. We don't have to worry about prepping anything or doing any of that kind of work. So yay for that, right? Because I don't know about you, but for me, prepping is the worst part. So if I can just sit down and get right to sewing and everything's been done for me, I am all for that. All right, so that is the 5 classes that I'll be teaching at Sew Expo this year. I hope you can join me out there. If you are coming, drop a note and let me know. I'm super excited to see you. If I haven't met you before, I'm super excited to meet you. And I think we're just gonna have a lot of fun, and I can't wait. So again, I will link everything down below so you can find the information. All right, I hope I get to see you soon in Seattle. If not, hopefully I'll see you around either on YouTube or in my Facebook group, things like that. So, all right, guys, have a great day, have fun sewing, and I'll see you soon.